Hello viewers, welcome to our channel English Tube. In this video, we will learn and write an English essay on a very trending topic, pollution, along with headings. For more such videos, consider subscribing to our channel and hit that bell icon so that you never miss an update from our channel. First heading is Introduction. Pollution is the contamination of the natural environment. It is a grave environmental issue that poses significant threats to our planet and human health. It can manifest in various forms, each causing widespread damage. It is caused by various factors and affects the air, water, and land. Understanding the types and consequences of pollution is crucial for finding solutions. Next heading is Types of pollution. Under this heading, we are going to list out all the different type of pollution. First one is air pollution. This includes the release of harmful gases and particulate matter into the atmosphere. Industrial emissions, vehicular exhaust, and burning of fossil fuels are major contributors. Next type of pollution is water pollution. Under this subheading, we are going to write what water pollution is. Contamination of water bodies like rivers, lakes, and oceans by chemicals, waste, and pollutants threatens aquatic life and human access to clean water. Next type of pollution is soil pollution. Under this subheading, we are going to write what is soil pollution. Chemicals, pesticides, and industrial waste harm soil quality, affecting plant growth and food safety. Next type of pollution is noise pollution. Under this subheading, we are going to write what is noise pollution. Excessive noise from urbanization, industrial activities, and transportation disturbs ecosystems and affects human well-being. Next heading is causes. Under this heading, we are going to list out major causes of pollution. Industrial activities, rapid urbanization, and deforestation are some of the main causes of pollution. Increased use of fossil fuels and inefficient waste management also adds to the vulnerable situation. Next heading is consequences. Pollution harms ecosystems, biodiversity, and natural resources. Air and water pollution can lead to respiratory diseases, cancers, and other health issues. Furthermore, pollution related healthcare expenses and reduced agricultural productivity result in financial burden. Next heading is prevention and mitigation. Promoting renewable energy sources and improving waste management and recycling will reduce the need for resource extraction and landfill disposal. Government should implement stricter environmental regulations and raise awareness about developing cleaner technologies and transportation. Last heading is conclusion. Pollution poses a significant threat to the environment and human well being. Addressing this issue is imperative for a sustainable future. Collective efforts, responsible practices, and policy changes are essential to combat this global challenge.